We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive, expert-driven look at the Meow Manor Cat Door interior door, a patented no-flap cat door designed for cats up to 20 pounds. If you own this item, please consider leaving a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. The Meow Manor Cat Door by Perfect Portal has quickly become a standout solution for pet owners seeking to give their cats privacy, autonomy, and a dedicated space within the home. This product is specifically engineered to address common challenges faced by multi-pet households, such as keeping dogs away from litter boxes or cat food, while still allowing cats unrestricted access to their own safe haven. Unlike conventional cat doors that often use flaps, the Meow Manor features a unique no-flap design, eliminating the risk of paws getting caught and removing the need for any training. This is particularly beneficial for households with timid or older cats who may be hesitant to push through a traditional flap. The opening measures 8.25 inches high by 6.5 inches wide, making it suitable for most cats, including larger breeds up to 20 pounds. For cats exceeding this weight, the manufacturer recommends the Meow Manor XL. The installation process is frequently highlighted as a major advantage. Many users with little to no DIY experience report that they were able to install the door in under an hour, with some completing the project in as little as 30 minutes. The package includes clear, color-coded instructions and a cutout template, making it easy to mark and cut the correct opening in both solid and hollow core interior doors. The use of sturdy screws rather than adhesive tape ensures a secure and lasting fit. The frame is constructed from durable acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, or ABS plastic, which is known for its impact resistance and longevity. Customers consistently report that the door maintains its appearance and function even after more than a year of daily use. This durability is especially important in households with energetic pets or children. The design incorporates adorable accents, adding a whimsical touch to any room without sacrificing practicality. One of the most praised features is the absence of a flap. Traditional cat doors with flaps can be noisy, require training, and sometimes allow odors to escape from litter box areas. The Meow Manor's open portal design helps contain odors while maintaining easy access for cats. The optional locking mechanism is another standout, allowing owners to temporarily restrict access when necessary, such as keeping cats out of certain rooms during travel or when guests are present. The lock is designed to be secure against both feline and canine attempts to bypass it, thanks to a twist mechanism that cannot be manipulated by paws or snouts. In terms of performance, the Meow Manor excels at providing cats with autonomy without compromising household order. Cats adapt to the door almost instantly, as there are no moving parts to startle them. The door's size accommodates not only petite cats but also larger breeds and even some smaller dogs, though it is primarily intended for feline use. For households with both cats and dogs, the Meow Manor serves as an effective barrier to keep dogs out of litter box and feeding areas. However, it is important to note that particularly small or determined dogs, especially those under 30 pounds, may still be able to fit through the opening. This is a consideration for those seeking to restrict access solely to cats. The door's design also prevents crawling children from passing through, adding a layer of safety for families with young kids. The installation process does require a jigsaw for cutting the door, which may be a minor hurdle for some. However, users report that even those with minimal tool experience found the process manageable, especially with the aid of online tutorial videos. The need to remove and reinstall the door for cutting is standard for this type of modification, and the included template helps ensure a precise fit. Some users encountered minor complications, such as needing to remove weather stripping from solid wood doors, but these were generally considered minor and did not detract from overall satisfaction. The Meow Manor is also praised for its ability to help manage pet relationships within the home. In multi-pet households, it allows cats to retreat to their own territory, reducing stress and potential conflicts with dogs. The door's hinge has a built-in stiffness, which deters dogs from forcing their way through and prevents the door from swinging open unintentionally. This feature, combined with a secure locking mechanism, gives owners confidence that their pets' spaces remain protected. The aesthetic appeal of the Meow Manor is frequently mentioned in reviews. Its playful design adds charm to any interior without appearing out of place. Owners appreciate that the door does not detract from the overall look of their home, and the quality of the plastic ensures that it remains attractive over time. The product's dimensions allow it to fit seamlessly at the bottom of most standard interior doors, and its lightweight construction does not impede the function of the door itself. In terms of maintenance, the Meow Manor is easy to clean. The ABS plastic can be wiped down with standard household cleaners, and there are no moving parts that require lubrication or frequent adjustment. This low maintenance aspect is especially appealing to busy pet owners who want a set and forget solution. The product's popularity is reflected in its high customer ratings, with thousands of positive reviews emphasizing its durability, ease of installation, and effectiveness at giving cats their own space. Many users report that the door looks and functions as well after a year and a half as it did on the first day. The Meow Manor is also recognized for its effectiveness at containing odors from litter boxes, a common concern in multi-pet homes. By allowing the main door to remain closed, the cat door helps keep unpleasant smells confined to designated areas, while still granting cats access as needed. The option to hold the mini door open for extended periods is another appreciated feature, particularly for owners who want to give their cats unrestricted access during certain times of day. There are a few considerations to keep in mind. While the door is highly effective at restricting access for most dogs, particularly persistent or small dogs may still be able to fit through. This is not a flaw in the design, but rather a limitation inherent in any product that must balance accessibility for cats with exclusion for other animals. Owners with very large cats, or those seeking to keep out particularly agile dogs, may wish to consider the Meow Manor XL for additional training for their pets. The product's installation does require some basic tools and a willingness to modify an interior door, which may not be suitable for renters or those unwilling to make permanent changes to their home. However, the vast majority of users found the process straightforward and well worth the effort for the benefits gained. In summary, the Meow Manor Cat Door interior door stands out as a thoughtfully designed, durable, and highly effective solution for giving cats privacy and autonomy within the home. Its no-flap design, secure locking mechanism, and easy installation make it a favorite among cat owners, particularly those with multi-pet households. The door's durability, aesthetic appeal, and low maintenance requirements further enhance its value. While it may not be completely dog-proof for the smallest or most determined breeds, it provides a practical and attractive way to manage pet spaces and keep litter box odors contained. If you are looking for a cat door that combines functionality, safety, and style, the Meow Manor is an excellent choice. Don't forget to check the link in the description to learn more or to purchase the product. And please leave a review in the comments if you have experience with this item to help others make the best choice for their home.